At TenPoint Complete, we know that no project stays static. As your business evolves, new insights, priorities, and ideas naturally come up, and we're built to handle that. When a client requests a change mid-project, we follow a structured change order process designed to keep everything clear, efficient, and aligned. First, we assess the request. We look at the scope, timeline, and any potential impact on deliverables to fully understand what the change means for the project as a whole. From there, we communicate that impact clearly. Whether it affects timelines, resources, or costs, we make sure you have full visibility so you can make informed decisions without surprises. Nothing moves forward without your approval. We document the change, confirm expectations, and ensure everyone is aligned before implementation begins. But here's where balance matters. We pride ourselves on being flexible and responsive while still maintaining strong scope control. That means we're always open to adapting, but we do it in a way that protects the integrity of the project and keeps everything on track. Our goal is simple: to make adjustments feel seamless, not disruptive. At TenPoint Complete, change isn't a problem, it's part of the process, and we're structured to handle it the right way.